guys, and very welcome as always. Today it is time to open up this inverter here. I have just installed it, and when I have done that, the display was black all the time. So I can hear the fan start up sometimes inside it, but I don't know what it does because the display are just black. So I have hooked it up to my 48 volt battery and also hooked it up to the grid. It's 220 volts on this one here. And also I have connected my current limit sensor. So it should light up, but it doesn't. So hopefully I will be able to find something, maybe a loose connection or so inside of this, and have it working again. I have of course contacted the seller on eBay, and he have also replied to me, but I don't really get any answer if he will send me a new one or if I have to send it back, and that's not an option for me. If I have to send it back, it will cost me money, and I maybe not even get it back. So that's what you have to deal with when you buy on eBay or AliExpress. That's a risk you have to take, but mostly of the times it works just perfect. This is actually a pretty smart inverter for its price. I mean, right now I have connected it to a battery, but you can also connect it to solar panels, and together with this current limit sensor you can set that option in the menu when the display are working. You can set it like it will not sell anything out to the grid. It will only provide your load with power when you need it. So if you don't have any load on that phase, this will just stay and watching the load all the time, and when there is load, then it will create power and send out just that amount of power that you need on that phase at that time. Oh my god. I think that my English is so bad, so I'm sorry for that. But anyway, I am just going to take it down from my wall here and bring it out in my garage and open it up there and see if I can find anything strange inside of it. So here we go. Okay, I had hope that this cable here was loose or something, but it seems like it is connected correctly. This is how it looks inside, and I guess that this is the transformers that will create 220 volts from 45 to 90 volts, and you have the MOSFETs down here, 2, 4, 6, 8 of them on that side, and we also have 8 of those transistors on this side here. And some of them underneath the PCB board here. And of course some nice inductors, some relays, and of course fans. This will blow air through the system up like this. And you also have this fan here just to cool those MOSFETs in the middle here. So it's a pretty good cooling system, I must say. And some nice capacitors. And of course fuses on the input side. That will fuse your battery or your solar panels. So it's on that low voltage side. And the display itself with some backup battery. And I guess that this circuit here are the menu setting or the software for the whole system. I am no expert on this kind of stuff at all, but I can always guess. Probably some of you guys out there know this a lot better than I do. But anyway, this is how it looks, and it can always be good to know how it looks inside anyway. Okay, I will do some measuring on the display. Here I will just see if I have some voltage out from the board up to the display. That's pretty much everything that I can do. And after that I just have to see if I can order a spare part or something like that. So let's connect the power. We have a blue LED. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. That's the only sign that something is going on here. So now I just will measuring the cables up to the display here. I guess that we have some power in two of them, and the other two of them will be just communication, I guess. Almost 13 volts. So it seems like we have power from the board up to the ribbon cable at least. So let's measure this. Yeah, we have 12 volts up to the display here. So I guess that we have a broken display. So here it is. I will just go inside and see if I can find anything on internet on those numbers here. Hopefully I do. I cannot see anything that is damaged, or everything looks just as it should. Probably just a faulty unit from the factory. Hopefully I will find a display and make a second video when I put all this together and see if I can have it to work again, or for the first time. Alright guys, thank you very much. See you later. Bye.